Where's the last one? Up here. There you go. Do your intro.
Hello. Today we are joined by Creeper. Today we are going to start off as prisoner. Sorry. Let's go. I don't like that. Get out of here. Over here. I need to escape this place. Oh, I don't like this place. I don't like this place, so I'll just start here on the tables or so and leave. Let's do the bomb escape. I like that one. I don't want to do the things like that. Longer, better. Get there. I have to heat it up. Well, that had a mind-blowing result. You get it? Mm-hmm. Get it? Mind-blowing. That's scary. I don't like when that happens. Now let's just escape. Let's just get out of here. Just skedaddle. My car. No, that's my car. No one is getting it. What happened to my precious car? Okay. Yeah, no man if I do. I heard it. No, it's so scary. No. Let me get out. Hello, I'm gonna pickpocket him. Please. Inspect jar. I don't have anything. Of course I don't. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? I am blinking. What am I thinking? I don't know what to do. I am not a bad boy. I'm not a bad boy. I told you I'm not a bad boy. How do I say it? I have literally trash ideas. Trash ideas. I just It's annoying. Really, I need to escape. I need a pickpocket. I need to be pickpocket man. I'm not a bad boy. Hop, not the toilet. I'm not a bad boy. Cause I'm not a bad boy. I'm not a bad boy. My lock. Slow this all up. Yay! This is gonna have a mind-blowing result. You get it? Because people see it. That was a mind-blowing result. I think it happened. bad. I smell. What do you smell? No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. It's morning. I've been out here all night. No, this is scary. Creeper is here to protect me, though, bro. It says, please do not punch me. Well, listen, bot. You are not the boss of me. So I'll punch you. Because I'm a prisoner. Prisoners do bad stuff, right? This is exactly what I'm going to do right now. Why is it not working? Thought it was supposed to work. The game is supposed to work. What? Please punch me, box is broken. Pow, pow, pow. I can't escape now! It's broken. The game is broken. I broke it. No, I didn't. I don't even know what I'm saying. What am I doing? What am I doing? Sorry. I'm just going to explode the wall in here. Police helicopter, that's mine. That is mine. That's mine. What happened to the helicopter? It was right here. Everybody saw it. Oh no. Yes, that's actually good. Finding you for something good. No, I'm escaping. I must escape. I'm not giving up. I must escape. Ah! If this doesn't work, I'll cry. Why? This game is broken. Why? Oh, why? It's American time. Yes. Do. Don't mind me. Ooh, no mind if I do. Pickpocket you. Hello, sir. May I please pickpocket you? Pickpocket. Baby Bobby Boo Boo. It's not okay. Dead. Switch teams. I want to be a police. I want to be a police. No. I'm sorry, what? What? Oh, it's not working. Goodbye! I am. Goodbye! Goodbye! Why is it not working? The game is broken! The game's broken! Don't know what happened, but the game is broken, that's all I know. The game is broken, what have I done? What have I done? The game's broken, I'm gonna cry like little baby. The game isn't working, I broke it. I want to be good. Okay, where's this video? This video. Please, please. I said I wanna be a police. Well, I can't be a police.
Why not be yourself? People watching? It's new.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. Goodbye.